Often, the people we love the most are also the sources of our greatest stress and emotional upset. In Portia's Wish Commitment to Love workshops, you'll learn new life skills in heart and soul-centered communication that is never taught in school, never taught at home, and never taught in traditional therapy sessions because it's not part of their curriculum. Learning these new life skills in heart and soul-centered communication is essential for reducing mental emotional stress, for supporting your immune function, and for creating and maintaining loving and successful relationships, whether they're personal relationships or professional relationships. This is essential training for couples that want to maintain their loving relationships, for singles that want to create a new relationship in their life, for parents who want to model these new skills to their children, for professional healthcare providers and therapists that want to have more effective communication and sessions with their clients, and for entrepreneurs and business professionals that want to have more effective communication with their clients and colleagues. For registration and dates for upcoming workshops or retreats, please contact me at deanne@portiaswish.com or call me at 310-455-2851.